Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing the property 4 of the determinants that we have been seeing, property 4 of determinants that we have been seeing in the videos up till now. This is useful for people who want to find out easy ways to solve the values of determinants. Also, this is specifically more important for the NCERT class 12 CBSE syllabus students. So let's start. The property 4 states that if each element of a row or a column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. So let's see the general form of a determinant and try to uh, prove that. Or before that, if each element of a row or a column of a determinant means any one row or any one column, if you are multiplying it by a constant k, if you're multiplying it by one value, suppose by 2 or by 3, then its value gets multiplied by k, means the determinant value that you get by solving it by expansion, that gets multiplied by k compared to the original determinant where you have not multiplied by the row or the column by k. So let's prove that using the general form of a 2 by 2 determinant. What is the general form? It's a11, a12, a21, a22. Now for multiplying by constant k, we'll take second row and we'll multiply it by k. So that is going to be a11, a12, k times a1, a21, k times a22. And you know that the determinant value of this is a11, a22 minus a12, a21. And what is it going to be for this one? This is going to be equal to a11 into k times a22 minus a12 into k times a21. Now can we say that this is equal to k into a11 a22 minus k into a12 a21, and if you take k common, it will be a11 a12 a22 minus a12 a21. So can we say that this is equal to k times the determinant value of the original one where we have not multiplied one row by k? So we have proved it for the 2 cross 2 general form of the determinant. Now we'll try take a specific example and try to prove that. The original determinant, if we consider it to be 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, and we find out the determinant value, it is going to be 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. So this is going to be equal to minus 3 plus 4, which is 1. Now we'll try to do this with a column part instead of rows. We'll try to multiply this column by a constant of say 3. Our k is 3 in this example. So if you multiply the whole column, both the elements by 3, what is it going to be? Minus 6 minus 9. Now we try to find out the determinant value. What is it going to be? It should be 3 according to the property. Let's try to prove it, because it should be 3 into 1. So here it's going to be 1 into minus 9 minus 6 into 2, which is minus 9 minus 12 So this is going to be minus 9 plus 12, which is 3. So can you say that it is 3 times 1 or k times the original value? So we have proved it for 2 by 2 determinant. Now we'll take a 3 by 3 example and try to prove that to understand it better. One, 2, 4, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now we find out the determinant value. It's going to be 1. 1 into minus 3, minus 0 into minus 2, minus 2, 3 into minus 3, minus 0 into minus 1, plus 4, 3 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 1. This is going to be equal to 1 into minus 3 and minus 0. So that we are not considering. Minus 2, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, minus 0 again, plus 4, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, plus 1. Now this is going to be equal to minus 3, minus 2 into minus 9 is plus 18, plus 4 into minus 5. This is going to be equal to minus 3 plus 18 is 15, plus minus 20, which is minus 5. Now we'll again try to multiply it by a constant. Here we'll take the constant as 2, k is 2, and according to that our answer should be minus 10. So we'll multiply the second and third row by 2. So it will become 6, 2, 0. Sorry, only second row by 2. And third row will be as it is because we have to just change one row. And we'll try to find out the determinant value. 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now determinant value will be 1, 2 into minus 3, minus 0, directly we'll write that because multiplication is 0. Minus 2, 6 into minus 3, minus again 0, plus 4, 6 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 1. Now this is equal to 1 into minus 6, so minus 6, minus 2 into 6 minus 3 is 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Again plus 4, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, plus 2 because 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. So that is going to be plus 2. This is equal to minus 6 plus 2 into 18 is 36, plus 4 into minus 10. Minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. This is equal to minus 6 plus 36 is 30, plus 4 into minus 10 is minus 40, which is equal to minus 10. So have we proved that it is 2 times of minus 5 or 2 or k times of minus 5. So we have proved that when any of the row or any of the column is multiplied by a constant of k, the determinant value also gets multiplied by k. Hope you understood this property. If you have any doubt related to this video or any other video, you could mention them in the comments, or if your doubt is in the form of an image, you could send them to edututorials252@gmail.com. If you have not seen the previous videos where we have seen the other properties, you can see them on the playlist for NCERT Class 12 Maths. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.